Okay.
Happy birthday. Get down. Where go? The good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Hooray! 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 Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I look white. Do I look fine?
Yes. Yes.
I look fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What is your birthday wish for mommy? This. God should bless mommy.
Yeah.
And what else? Give me long life, right? And prosperity, okay? And God should give me more money. Right? More money.
Buy
To buy what? To buy board for KK to be learning. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Oh, okay. Then what else?
Cleaning board.
Cleaning board.
Cleaning board rag.
Cleaning board rag.
Yeah.
That God should bless me, so I'll buy cleaning board rag. Is that the only thing that God should bless me for? Is that the only reason that God should say I'll buy board? Alright, hey guys. It is officially the birthday vlog week. Yes, today, thank God. I've just been in a grateful state. Today I'm not asking for anything. Just say a word of prayer for me in the comments that God, just thank God for my life. Because this year has been a roller coaster. This year has really been a roller coaster. I'm almost at my daughter's school. I'll catch you up. I'll find time to talk to you guys in the office, okay? Later. Say bye to the channel. Hey guys. Hey people. Sorry, this place may be echoing. I just sneaked out to come on to this video. Okay. Today is my birthday. Say happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you guys so much on the love and on everything on the vlog so far. Today is my birthday. Please say a prayer for me. Say a prayer for me. This birthday, I'm not asking God for anything. I'm just trying to. As for the past 3 days, it's been. Let me just calm down. I just finished climbing the staircase. Sneaked out to come out to this video. So I've been trying to. Just from a place of gratitude actually, because looking back at last year's birthday and where I am now in my life, my family is here and healthy, despite there has been ups and downs, a lot of things have happened in between, like deaths here and there, but who are we to question God? Thank God I am alive. I'm grateful. I'm not in the mortuary. My kids are okay. My husband is fine. Work is good. Business is moving beautifully. I wish I got to a milestone in my career this year. There are so many things to be grateful to God for. So, what am I? Who am I not to be grateful? For the past it's not up to a month, I lost a secondary school classmate, the same age, so you can imagine. So it's just been a roller coaster of emotions running through my head right now. What if, but God gave me life. We'll be saying we are not this, we've not gotten this, we've not gotten to this extent. Some of your mates are in the mortuary, and you're here. You can breathe in air. It's free of charge. You're not paying for it, you're not buying it, you're not going to subscribe for it anyway. God is giving it to us free of charge. And you're saying I should not be grateful. I'm a lot grateful. I'm so grateful. No much birthday plans. In fact, no birthday plans. And for my children, nothing much. Over the weekend, we'll just be going to a picnic date. My sister was supposed to pick our cake, but just in case you don't know, my younger sister, if you've been an OG in the channel, you know that I have a sister and she can bake. So she'll be doing cake for us. She was supposed to do it so I could bring it to the office, but she has an exam today. So I told her to just pause that a bit. And when you're done, you can do that. We'll use that to go on the picnic that will be going over the weekend. So please stay tuned. Everything will be in this video. If you've not liked, if you've not subscribed, use this as a birthday gift to me. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, and say a prayer for me in the comments. Don't say I wish you long life and prosperity. Just say thank you, Jesus, for Chita's life. Thank you for giving me life. I've seen yet another year on this planet. I don't take it for granted. Me and you last year, no way I am this year. And we are going to be growing higher and higher. I'll be inserting my outfit long. If it's going to be long, I'll cut it short. But if it's long, people watch to the end. Okay? So without further ado, let's just get the birthday vlog ready.
2,000 years later.
No, it's not for eating.
Everything not for eating.
This one is sugar. These are sugar. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, big bomb. Then this is chops and food. What's not fair? See your face. We drink that phone. Somebody's phone.
How do you know?
If we should come, let's go. Pick her, it's on street. Yeah, man. Yeah, say cheese. You don't hold this. Hmm? I dance now. I don't want. Continue juice. I'm on me. Such things you bought from them. You can use the mini chicken moment. Here they go Hollandia.
I'll feed you. Want me to feed you? There's no board.
There's no board. One more needs in one board. Ozole, tam no here. I'm trying to come on.
And you just got few, right?
Yeah, for me to Hollandia. Careful. She can stop me for you in here. You ever seen me? Oh, this place is beautiful. Yeah, hey guys, hey beautiful people. Wait, let me mount you guys.
What is it?
Yeah, mama.
So, on behalf of everyone,
They're not nature. They're not supposed to come on this camp.
I don't know. It's not all living.
It's nature. Everything living here.
Oh,
You
God.
can't adapt, leave and go.
And I cannot adapt.
all of us, we will give you a rest. But I only like to take care and the love is secret.
I don't know. What's up with my son and mama?
Put your hands together for you. If you are giving him something special, but you know an answer. You go good and everything.
Let me check it.
You know, say, now, you know what we can plug, so we'll share them. So, you give another one and plug, and have use of the estate. You understand? You understand? I'm sure
This stuff get covered out here. I think it's like this, you know. No, it's not going to
I need 2 more persons to come and position. 2 more persons. If you do better, you are entitled to share land with your...
Oh, boy.
If you are going to say, you get it, right?
Mommy, that your